conclusion is as follows. Frau Linkmeyer did not sleep in her bed last night.
Correct.
Correct?
Correct.
She requisitioned the vehicle from the motor pool at approximately 9 o'clock. The car was found abandoned outside the camp this morning.
Correct.
Correct?
Correct.
Would you mind if only one person agreed with me?
Of course, I'd be happy to.
It is my sister.
Yes. And I think the General should speak for us.
And I agree.
Quiet.
Now, what conclusions can we draw from the facts I have reviewed for you?
Frau Linkmeyer is missing.
Thank you, Sergeant. Your intelligence reflects your commanding officer.
What does that mean?
Stupid, it's a compliment. Thank you, Major.
Hochstetter, I called in the Gestapo because obviously we cannot cope with that sort of thing. But so far you have done nothing but talk. Where is my sister?
Yes, where is my sister? I mean, where's his sister?
Yes, where is she?
Quiet.
I assure you, General Burkhalter, the Gestapo will find her if we have to turn Germany upside down and shake it.
Seems like an awful lot of trouble.
And hardly worth it. Quiet, Scholz.